Something better replaced what you lost. Yes, you are in the right place, and there is a reason you were led here to hear this now. Something better replaced what you lost, but the truth behind it may not be what you expected, and that is why your heart has been restless. I have seen every tear you tried to hide, every question you carried in silence, and every moment you wondered if I was still there. Stay with me, because I am about to reveal why what you lost was not the end, but the beginning of something greater. You remember the moment it slipped away, don't you? The instant something you held tightly was no longer yours. A person, a plan, a dream, a sense of security. I was there. I saw the exact second your heart dropped, the quiet confusion that filled your mind, the questions that formed without answers. You thought it was sudden, unexpected, maybe even unfair. You wondered why I allowed it, why I stayed silent, why I did not stop it from happening. But I never left that moment. I stood beside you in it, even when you felt alone. I felt the weight of your sorrow. I heard the prayers you whispered when no one else could hear. I watched you carry the pain quietly, pretending to be strong for others while your own heart was struggling to understand what had just changed. What you did not see was how closely I was guiding that moment. It did not happen outside of my awareness. It was not random, and it was not punishment. Even when it felt like loss, even when it felt like something precious was taken from you, I was still protecting you in ways you could not recognize yet. Sometimes what you hold on to most tightly is the very thing that keeps you from stepping into what I have prepared next. You may have called it loss, but I saw it as a doorway beginning to open. You may have called it an ending, but I knew it was a turning point. I know how deeply it affected you. I know how it made you question your path, your strength, even your faith. There were nights you replayed everything in your mind, wondering what you could have done differently. There were moments when you asked me, why did this have to happen? And it felt like there was no answer. But I heard every word. I understood every emotion. And nothing about your pain was invisible to me. I did not turn away from your broken moments. I stayed closer than you realized. And even as you were trying to make sense of the loss, I had already begun preparing something new. Quietly, gently, without rushing you, I started shaping a path that would lead you into something stronger, something safer, something more aligned with the purpose I placed inside you. But before you could see what was coming, you needed to understand this first truth. I never missed the moment you lost it. I was there when it left your hands. I was there when your heart struggled to let go. And I am still here now, holding you steady as you begin to see that what felt like loss was not the end of your story. Something within you still aches when you think about what slipped away, and even now you sometimes wonder if you could have held on tighter, spoken differently, or waited a little longer to change the outcome. But listen closely, because I want you to understand this truth, that your heart has been slowly learning. Not everything that enters your life is meant to remain there forever. Some things come for a season, not for a lifetime. And when the season ends, it is not because you failed, and it is not because you were forgotten. It is because I am guiding you towards something that could not enter while you were still holding on to what was leaving. You called it loss because it hurt. You called it loss because it created an empty space inside you that felt unfamiliar and frightening. But I saw what you could not see. I saw the quiet strain it was putting on your spirit. I saw the weight you were carrying to keep it together. I saw how it was slowly draining your peace, even if you did admit it. Sometimes you grow attached to what feels comfortable, even when it is no longer helping you grow. Sometimes you hold tightly to what feels safe, even when it quietly keeps you from becoming who you are meant to be. And because I love you, I will never allow you to stay trapped in something that limits your future. You wondered why it had to end the way it did. You wondered why it couldn't just stay the same. But if it had stayed, it would have held you in a place that no longer matched the path I was preparing for you. What left was not taken to harm you. It was moved because it had already fulfilled its purpose. It taught you something. It shaped you. It strengthened you in ways you didn't notice at the time. but it was never meant to walk with you into the next chapter. And when something stays beyond its season, it begins to quietly block what is meant to arrive. I know letting go did not feel like protection. It felt like emptiness. It felt like confusion. It felt like standing in a space where you didn't know what was coming next. But that space was necessary. I was creating room. I was making space for new strength, new clarity, new peace to begin forming. You may have tried to hold on, not because it was right for you, but because it was familiar. And when it finally left, it felt like a part of you left with it. But here is what I need you to understand in this moment. You were not being stripped. You were being prepared. I was removing what could not support where you are going. I was gently closing a door that had already served its purpose so another one could open without obstruction. And even though it hurt to release it, even though you did understand at first, what left your life was never meant to carry you into your future. I was protecting what is ahead of you long before you could see it. And while you were standing in that quiet space, trying to adjust to the absence, wondering why everything suddenly felt so still, I was already at work in ways your eyes could not see. The silence you experienced was not empty. It was full of quiet preparation, full of careful movement, full of gentle alignment that was taking place behind the scenes. You may have felt forgotten in those moments, as if nothing was happening, as if your prayers were echoing without an answer. But the truth is, the silence was where I was building something stronger for you. I know how hard that waiting felt. There were days when it seemed like nothing was changing. Nights when your thoughts became heavy, and you wondered if things would ever feel right again. You searched for signs of clarity, for assurance. Sometimes you found small pieces of peace, and sometimes all you found were more questions. But even when it felt still on the outside, I was moving gently beneath the surface, arranging what needed to come together at the right time. You were healing, even when you didn't realize it. Your heart was becoming stronger, even when you felt fragile. You were learning to stand in ways you hadn't before. The space left behind by what you lost was slowly being filled, not with noise but with quiet strength. I was teaching you how to trust again, how to breathe again, how to keep moving forward even when you didn't have all the answers. And with every step you took, I was shaping something new that would fit your life better than what you left behind. There were moments when you thought the silence meant nothing was coming. But it was in that silence that I was placing the pieces of something greater into position. Some things take time to prepare. Some blessings need the right moment to enter your life. If they come too early, you may not recognize them. If they arrive before you are ready, you may not be able to hold them. So I allowed the quiet to remain, not to make you feel alone, but to give space for the new to form without pressure. And slowly, without you even noticing at first, something began to shift. Your perspective changed. Your strength grew. Your understanding deepened. You started to see life a little differently. That was not by accident. That was the preparation. That was the moment when what I was building began to take shape. Because while you were focused on what had left, I was focused on what was about to arrive, something greater, something gentler, something that would meet you where you are now, not where you used to be. Look closely at what is beginning to enter your life now, because something better replaced what you lost, and the answer you have been waiting for may already be standing quietly in front of you. You may not have recognized it yet. You may have overlooked it because it did not arrive in the same form as what you lost. But I want you to pause and see this with new eyes, because what is coming into your life now carries the very blessing you once asked me for in your most honest prayers. You prayed for peace, and I am bringing calm into your heart. You prayed for strength, and I am giving you stability where you once felt weak. You prayed for clarity, and now you are beginning to understand things in a way you never did before. At one time, you believed that what you lost was the answer. You thought that was the place where your happiness would stay, where your comfort would remain, where your future would grow. But sometimes the things you think are answers are only stepping stones. Sometimes what you hold as a blessing is only a lesson leading you toward the real blessing that was always meant to find you. And now, slowly and gently, you are beginning to see small changes. A new kind of peace is forming inside you. New thoughts are guiding you. New opportunities are starting to appear in ways that feel quiet but meaningful. You may still be comparing what is coming with what you lost. That is natural. Your heart remembers what was familiar. But what I am placing in your life now is not meant to be a replacement that feels identical. It is meant to be something better suited for who you are becoming. It is stronger where the old thing was fragile. It is calmer where the old thing brought confusion. It is steadier where the old thing left you uncertain. I am not giving you something to simply fill the empty space. I am giving you something that can carry you forward without breaking you. Think about the prayers you whispered long ago, the ones you thought I forgot. I did not forget them. I carried them with me. I waited for the right moment to answer them in a way that would truly help you. If I had given you this blessing earlier, you might not have recognized its value. If I had placed it in your hands while you were still holding tightly to what you lost, you may not have had the space to receive it. So I allowed the timing to unfold slowly, gently, carefully. Now, what is entering your life is not random. It is not a coincidence. It is part of the path that hath been forming all along. The peace you feel at unexpected moments, the strength you notice growing inside you, the small doors opening where there were once walls. These are signs that something better is settling into place. This is the blessing you prayed for, arriving in a form that fits your life now. And even if it still feels unfamiliar, even if you are still learning to trust it, it is here to hold you in ways the past never could. Right now, even as you are listening, something better replaced what you lost, and you are already stepping into a chapter that is stronger, calmer, and more aligned with who you are meant to become. You may not feel fully ready yet. Part of you may still be holding onto the memory of what used to be. Part of you may still be unsure about what lies ahead. But I want you to understand that this next chapter has already begun. You are no longer standing in the place where you once were. You are moving forward, even if your steps feel small, even if the path feels new and unfamiliar. There was a time when your world felt shaken. You questioned your direction. You wondered if things would ever feel steady again. But look at how far you have come. You are stronger than you were in that moment. You understand things more deeply now. Your heart has learned to carry both pain and hope at the same time. That growth did not happen by accident. Every experience you walked through, every tear you wiped away, every moment you chose to keep going, it was shaping you for where you are now. This new chapter is not just about replacing what was lost. It is about leading you into something fuller, something richer, something that supports your spirit instead of weighing it down. The lessons you learned have made you wiser. The silence you endured has made you stronger. And the patience you showed has prepared you to receive what is meant to stay. You may not see the entire path yet, but you can feel that something is different. There is a quiet strength inside you now. There is a sense that life is slowly settling into a better rhythm. Do not be afraid of what is ahead. You are not stepping into this new season alone. I am walking with you, just as I was with you in the moment of loss, just as I was with you in the silence, just as I was when something new began to take shape. What is ahead of you carries more peace than what you left behind. It carries more growth, more stability, and more purpose. The chapter you are entering is not weaker than the last one. It is stronger because you are stronger. And as you continue forward, you will begin to see more clearly why things unfolded the way they did. What once felt like an ending will make sense as a turning point. What once felt like a loss will feel like a release. And what once felt uncertain will begin to feel like a path that was always meant for you. You are not standing at the edge of what you lost anymore. You are already inside something new, something better, something that is quietly guiding you into a future that can hold the person you are becoming. Amen.